Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be favorites, fails, and empties for the month of May. So let's jump in. So before we get started, as always, I just want to say if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. And if these videos are of interest to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. All right, let's jump in. And I'm just gonna randomly pull things. So I have some things sitting on the desk, and then I have my bin of empties, and I'll let you know whether they were favorites or fails. But I'm gonna start with what's literally right in front of me just so I can move it out of the way. I did pick up 2 new pair of sunnies. I am primarily an aviator kind of girl, although I do venture out. But I did pick up a brown, you know, I love Diff aviators. I picked up a new pair of Key aviators in black. Both of those I love, but I will list both of those sunglasses. I don't have them in there in my handbags. I love those, but I needed a pair of brown ones. So I went on to Nordstrom's and I picked these beautiful ones up, and I love the color. I think that they just fit perfectly. They're awesome. I used them during our last little trip. And these ones are by BP, so they're under $20. So you can't beat them, because if you lose them, you're not gonna be like, oh my God, I lost hundreds of dollars. The other pair is also by BP. These are a cat eye, and I just love these. I thought they were a really good cat eye. Some cat eyes are like, but I thought these ones were really, really cute. They're all black with the gold underneath the rim and the top, so they're surrounded by gold, which makes them a little more interesting. So I thought those were really, really cute. I cannot see worth a darn small print without eyeglasses, and I was tired of like constantly losing my reading glasses, so I picked up a 3-pack off of Amazon, and these ones are just so darn cute that I thought that I would show you. I have 2 of them in front of me. These were really cute. I'm not going to be able to see you because these are reading glasses, but they're so cute. They're filthy, right? But they're pink, and then they have a little you know, turquoise floral, and then these pair, these ones are like a little green, and then they have the blue floral, and you can get them in whatever. I just think they're really cute. You can get them in whatever strength you need. I get a 2.25 in case you guys care. Favorite eye palette I would say that I've been using the most, and if you guys follow Outfits of the Week, you already are gonna know this, but it's the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted. Truly, this is the only palette that I brought with me, and this is the only palette that I need. And, what I love about this is just the colors are great, the shimmers are beautiful. I mean, it's just a really overall great palette. Randomly picked, so it's not gonna be in any order. I ran out of the Garnier Micellar Water, which I run out pretty much every month. Ran out of the Paul Mitchell Skinny. I love this serum. I have a new one. It takes me a long time to go through it, but I do use it every time I wash my hair. I just put a tiny bit in and run it through, and in this humidity it keeps my hair very straight and not flying away. So I really love that. Went through that. I went through a bottle of Curology. For those of you that don't know what Curology is, by all means, I've done a whole playlist on Curology and the results. And very shortly, within the next week or 2, you're going to see my 1-year follow-up to Curology. But it's an anti-aging prescription. It's an online subscription, and my particular one has tretinoin, which is retin-A, niacinamide, and the tranexamic acid. So I went through one of these while we're on Curology, and I'm going to go into way more in depth than I am right now. Curology also just recently came out with a moisturizer and a cleanser. I have tried both. I'm in love with the moisturizer. The consistency, it's a pump format. Consistency is a cross between a cream and a gel, because it has hyaluronic acid and also has dimethicone silicone, which, so you put that, you know, it has that hyaluronic acid, and then a dimethicone is sort of a barrier, so it helps that hyaluronic acid absorb into the skin, which I love. So it's excellent moisturizer. And the other thing I love about it is because it has dimethicone in it, it gives your skin that very nice beautiful canvas for your makeup to go on. So this is excellent. That's something new that I've been trying for about the past 6 weeks. Ran out of, and I don't know where the lid went, but the Peter Thomas Roth hyaluronic acid patches, under eye patches. Ooh, have I got bad news for you guys if you like these. These are sold out pretty much everywhere. And in fact, I just ordered them off of from Macy's, and I was like, yes, I got them off of Macy's again. And they sent me a thing saying they were not gonna have them back in stock until September. So I don't know if everybody's just loving them, if there's, I don't know what's going on. My backup, or the other ones that I like, are the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber, and I'm almost done of those as well, so I'm getting ready to order these because I thought the other one's gonna come in. L'Oreal's Magic Root Touch-Up, I use it in red. I am out of that. Another product that I have emptied through is the Palou Reviving Toner. They have changed their packaging, so I just want to show you. This is their old, this is now the new, and I love, it's the packaging has changed. There's been a little bit of change in the formula, but what I've noticed is it still has that beautiful consistency. It's very thick. Let me show you, I think I could show you. You got to give it a little shake, and then let me just show you. If I put a drop on my hand, you can see that it's actually not like super liquidy like a lot of toners. It has this beautiful, gorgeous feel to it. I've been using Palou for, I don't know, over a year, and I have tried other toners, and I always go back to the Palou. Half Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Cream. I usually run out of this every month, and I always have a backup. I actually have it on auto delivery, yeah, I guess that would be what I call it. Auto delivery through Amazon Prime. You know, I've done videos on that as well. If you want to see them, they're in the playlist. I tried this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen, SPF of 30. This is the worst smelling product. I hate it. I hate, I'm gonna spray it because, yeah, it has that, okay, my mom used Aquanet when I was growing up, hairspray, which had that, I can't use this for the smell alone. I'm gonna give it to someone that can tolerate that smell. I just can't, I don't like the smell. You all know, if you've been watching my channel recently, that I'm in love with the Estée Lauder Double Wear Light. This is the Hydra. I moved from, I can't remember, let's see, from sand to sand to tawny. Just a little bit darker, and this is such a fabulous foundation. Now, it is not full coverage. If you want full coverage and you want to cover every age spot, every age spot, freckle, and all that, this is not going to be for you. But if you just want a really nice foundation that's going to even out your skin, give it a beautiful feel, and not feel heavy or thick or go into those fine lines, then this foundation, you guys, give it a try. It's so, so good. I did purchase a few more items from Estée Lauder. I really like their quality of their products. So, y'all know I love the Estée Lauder Cheeky Pink, which is what I have on today in the corner. I love it right in the corner of the eye. Look at that. It just makes it pop. Let me put the rest of this on here. I went and picked up another of their shimmers. So I picked up another one in Magnetic Rose. So I have a little cheeky pink here, but I'm gonna try and show you. This is this gorgeous short, sort of champagne color, and it's so pretty. And it's gorgeous. Let me see if I can put it on my hand and if you'll be able to see it. There it is there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's so pretty. And it just shimmer, 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 like a champagne color. And I love these because if you have a really great nude palette, like say Too Faced Natural Matte, which is one of my favorites, but there's no shimmer in there. So pick up a couple little shimmers and then it's perfect. You know, I love, my favorites in lipsticks are the Tagara. It's phenomenal. It has shimmer in it. And you think, oh, shimmer on your lips, not gonna work. Oh, yes, it does. That's it right there. And it has these little flecks of shimmer that are just so awesome. And I wanted to pick up a little bit darker. This one is Slow Burn. How gorgeous is that color? And I just needed a little bit darker of a color. And this one is gorgeous. And then of course you guys know that I'm obsessed. It's what I have on today with Pinkberry, because it's literally the perfect pinky nude. You can see it's just the most perfect color. It's beautiful. I love, and you know, these are not sponsored videos, I love Estée Lauder's lipsticks. They are moisturizing, they stay on, they're gorgeous, they're pigmented, everything you want in a lipstick, especially for a 52-year-old, it has it. I did pick up the Christian Audette and Lisa lip kit. Comes with a lip liner and 2 lipsticks. First, let's talk about the lip liner, because truly that's my favorite part. And I pulled this out of this bag, which you know means that I carry this bag everywhere I go. This is the most perfect nude pencil. It goes on beautifully, it glides beautifully, it stays put, and it's such a great neutral. So it goes with a variety of colors. And this is in Nude Sandals, if I remember, yes. This is beautiful nude color. And then the lipsticks, I wish I was as excited about. Well, let me see which ones we've got here. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is Summer Nights, and this is Golden Tiger. Golden Tiger is just not a good color for me at all. It's that, just this pink that just is not good for my skin tone. It has this almost peachy, orangey tone to it, which it just is not flattering for me at all. The Summer Nights is much better. Take this off and show you. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do Nude Sandals, the lip liner. It goes on beautifully. Summer Nights. Critique, I guess, is that it's not as lush. I think it's a very good color. This one is. This one, out of the 3, the lip liner is by far my favorite piece to the collection. And the lipstick Summer Nights is nice, but I would end up probably putting a lip gloss on it. It's a little, it almost feels like a little on the matte side, which is fine. So if I took a little lip gloss like Discreet Nude, this is just a little sherry. See, love that better. So that's what I'm wearing. I did also pick up a new eye pencil. This is in the color Coffee from Estée Lauder. Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place. They also have a waterproof. This is water resistant. I have it on today. The color is a very rich, dark brown. So it's a very, very dark brown, which I like because it's almost a black. It's the little smudger, you know, I don't really put eyeliner up above. I put it on my waterline. So there's very little transfer, which is something I like, and it's creamy and smooth and goes on beautifully. Another favorite this month, but it has been a favorite in past months. But I wanted to show you a little trick that I came up with. So highlighter is very difficult for me because I do have fine lines, and if you get it up here, then it sinks into the fine lines and it can be very drying. One of my favorite highlighters is like by Clinique. It's the Chubby stick. This is in 01. But what I do is I'll take my favorite setting spray, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'll spray my face to set my makeup, and then before it's had a chance to dry, I put the highlighter where I want it. And so what I usually do to really make my cheeks stand out, I don't put it up here. I put it on the apples of my cheeks. So see when I go to smile how that just pops. And so while my face is still a little damp, I just go ahead and use my finger and put it on, and it just gives it this beautiful glow. I just wanted to share that little tip with you. All right guys, so that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this. I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.